my bag out of and all the stuff that have come with my stuff very well, so I kept. Good morning, very sunny as you see from my background. How are you? Tanyanishailoc here, and of course welcome back to the channel. You guys, currently I'm just leaving home. Say Goku, by the way, Nasuna, say hi. Hi. And you guys, I'm going back to my place in Entebbe. As you know that when you are preparing and all that other stuff, my bag out of the blue did lose its zippers or zips, whatever the case may be. So I'm very upset about that, but I've also ordered a new bag from Chikubo for Look Bibi. It's a shop in Chikubo selling bags, so hopefully maybe in a week or two my mom would have gone there to pick it. But that is the situation currently. This is the car that is taking me right now. It's currently, what is the time, Jing? It's currently, I think, something like 6. It's around 6. Yes, it's around 6 because it's evening, and I've packed everything that I feel like I need. All my Black Friday things I did get from Mulangira and Chikubo and all the other stores in the boot over here. And I can't wait to reach my place. I have a lot of things to do over there, like utensils are waiting for me, laundry is waiting for me, cleaning is waiting for me. And another important thing that I feel like it's not important, but another thing that I did in mistake, by the time I left Entebbe from my house, electricity was not on. So by the time it went, the switch was on. So when I was moving out, coming to this place, there was no electricity. So I did leave the bulb on. So I don't know how my bill is, but let me grab you, of course, on the way there. I already arrived at my place here in Entebbe. I'm already at home, as you see from my background, and all the stuff that I've come with is down here. That is my curtain distracting me, but everything is down here. I'm going to try to organize everything currently or right now, and by that I'm having an ice cream over here. I'm eating this ice cream. I already arrived like 45 minutes ago, and at around 8 sharp I was already in Entebbe. And my father, who literally did bring me this side, they had drove back, of course, to Kampala. But I went to the salon, you guys, and the person who was supposed to be shaving my head, or the barber, was very busy. So I sat for almost 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, it's almost curfew time. I was like, you know what, I have to go because it's almost curfew time, and I fear policemen, you know. And out of the blue, electricity went off. So I was like, you know what, let me just go back home. Shaving my head will be for tomorrow. So currently I want to organize everything in the room, and my bed is also a mess. I left every clothing on the bed. So literally that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be preparing some eggs, I think, and some tea. And yeah, I think that's my night. See you tomorrow. Okay. Hey, so good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's already morning, yes, and I don't know why it's a very good morning, very sunny, as you see from my background. I feel very, very tired. But that aside, I've already tried to cook some tea over here on the gas cooker. And by the way, you guys, I wanted to show you something. Do you see how cute this mat looked, which I got from Mulangila? You guys, it looks so freaking nice. Just bring you close. It looks so freaking nice at the door, and I love that very, very much. And I also wanted to just do a little unboxing before I go off to work. Yes, though I look like this, I've already woke up and I've just washed my face, did brush my teeth, did my morning skincare routine. So there are not a lot of things demanding me, but I want to do a cute unboxing of stuff that I never unboxed at home. Yes, so yesterday I did go to Crown Supermarket. I think you did see the footage at the start of the video. If not, I'll put it here. Yesterday when I did go to Crown Supermarket, by the way, a lot of people do ask me what is Crown, because I always talk about that store. By the way, it's not sponsored in any way. I'm not sponsoring anything, but it's one stop center, shopping center, you know, for cheap things. It's like, it's an option to shop right here on Entebbe Road. So you know, so I did get some stand of mirror. You guys, my mirror did break, like, I don't know, like in 6 months ago it did break. The mirror I used to use, especially when I was doing makeup tutorials. That's one of the reasons I think that you have not been seeing me even not making a lot of makeup transformations. But I did grab one at emitware 25,500 Ugandan shillings, and I wanted to do a cute unboxing with you guys. This is how it looks. The reason why I decided to invest in such an expensive sit-down mirror, it's because you guys, you know, buying cheap things also costs, if that makes sense. It also costs, yes, very, very much. As like this time around, I'm going to buy some amazing thing. You see, it has two lenses. This is the bigger lens. This is the smaller lens over here. And it's dirty right now, but it comes with this cute white thing that you attach to the bottom, just like this, and also the top, the bottom, that's it. And I will zoom the top, the bottom, whatever the case may be. And this one, I think this is the bottom. You just attach it over here, just like this. Then you can screw it up and down. I think so. You guys, it looks amazing. I picked this in white because I was like, you know what? White is one color that it always matches with my stuff very, very well. So I had to pick this mirror, you guys. It's expensive, but it's worth it. The quality, the appearance, it doesn't look that cheap, you know. And the quality of the mirror looks very, very strong. I love this for this, you guys. Next thing, you guys, I'm unboxing right now on camera. It is this amazing Arimo SHC17 charger kit over here. You guys, I did buy this from town, I think near Mutasa Cafero. I think that there is a building just near Mutasa Cafero which does sell all these different things. Though even in Mutasa Cafero they do sell, but I favor the other place, you know. Hopefully, if you want any information about it, just let me know in the comment section below. The whole kit was 15,000 Ugandan shillings, and I did get this because of my angel, who did send me a big amount of money, you know, to just support my channel. So I did buy this charger. I bought a lot of things, by the way, to upgrade my gear. You guys, if you look at the charger I was using, I don't even know where I've put it, but it's crap, like crap. So I said this time around I have to get something amazing. It's expensive. By the way, I also did buy these headsets. The headsets I was using, they were also very, very crap. It had only a single strap which enters into the ears. So I was like, this time around you have to buy these. So these ones were 10,000 Ugandan shillings, also from the same place, and they did come in this cute pack. So I already opened these, you guys. So this is the charger I was talking about. Over here it has two strips where the USB cables do enter, and it looks just amazing, like just amazing. I've already tried to use this, you guys, and it charges so freaking fast, like so freaking fast, and I love that very, very much. So you guys, I think right now that's done. Before that, I also bought some hanger over here. This is for my panties and my socks and all that. I did buy this from Chikuro at 4,500 Ugandan shillings, and I can't wait also use it. I don't know even why I never used it when I came last night, you know. As I said, I'm going to first show to you guys, but this is how it looks, you guys. It looks amazing. How many pegs does it have? They are not indicated, but they feel like they are a lot. So I'm very happy that I'm gonna be using this to, you know, keep my things on snatch and all that other stuff. So I think that's done, you guys. Currently I'm going to just have some tea, wear on my fancy kind of stuff, go to work, and hopefully let me meet you in the next vlog, because I think this vlog is already very much. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment in the comment section below, and all that other good stuff. Bye for now.